let us see here now the next property we are going to talk, that is even odd property. Even odd property, this is also one of the important property, even odd property. Okay, let's see here what is even odd property. Integration I is equal to minus a to a fx dx is equal to integration minus a to a fx dx is equal to 0 if f of x is odd. And whenever you have minus a2 plus a, these type of questions, whenever you have minus a2 plus a, that you think that is odd even function property should be applied. This is the Jack rule we call as. Okay. So minus a to a fx dx is equal to will be 0. This will be 0. F of x is odd. This will be 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even function. If it is even function, 2 times you get. This answer will get us 2 times. Instead of minus a to a, this will become 0 to a fx dx I will get. So, the proof, we just see the proof here. Before seeing the proof, let us discuss this one once graphically so you will understand more graphically. Understand? Graphically listen. So here, if you see our odd function, what is the odd function? Sin x is the odd function, right? Sin x is the odd function. What do you get here? The sin x function will be like this. So this is the sin x function, odd function. Why it is the odd here? It is symmetric about a point. It is symmetric about a point. Through 0, 0 it is symmetric. So it is symmetric about 0, 0. This is symmetric about origin, odd function. So when you have an odd function, what happens here? Integration, if I am taking here to here, if I am taking here minus pi by 2, 2 plus pi by 2, I am taking here. So you are taking this area. So this area is here, this one is the area, right? This one is the another area, this is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. You know already what is the area under the curve? This area, I am not, area is positive, but if it is an integral value, what is the integral value here? Integral value is minus. Suppose this area is a, that is minus a, and this area is a, the integral value is plus a. Integral value is, area is positive, okay. What is the area this here? 1, 2, right? 1 no, right? Yeah, integration from here to here when you are taking, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x, okay. So what I am getting here is, I am getting here this area is something a you suppose, then this area is minus a. Addition of both will get you how much? 0. That is the reason whenever you have minus a to a fx dx, 0 when it is an odd function. When you take the even function is cos x is an even function because it is symmetric about which axis? Symmetric about y axis. It is symmetric about y axis. Y axis is symmetric hota hai. So what is here? This is minus pi by 2 and this is plus pi by 2. So this area, whatever is there, that is a, and this area is whatever is there. Both are positive. This is also a, this is also a. These areas will be equal. So a plus a, how much? 2a I get. So that is the reason if it is even function you get 2 times 0 to a fx dx, odd function is 0. That is the even odd function rule. Now let us see the proof here. This side. Let's see the proof. The proof is here. I is equal to minus a to a fx dx is equal to, we can write as minus a to 0. See here, when you have on the number line minus a2 plus a, in between will be 0. So I can write minus a to 0, break rule theorem, property number 3, minus a to 0 fx dx plus 0 to a fx dx I can write. Okay, then I can write here, this one is 0 to a fx dx, no problem. This is negative is there, I want to convert into something. So I take this is separately I1, I consider this is I1. So where to where here? Minus a to 0 fx dx. Let us prove this one. To prove this one, let us take x is equal to minus t. If x is equal to minus t, then dx is equal to minus dt. After differentiation, dx is equal to minus t. So I get I1 is equal to minus a to 0 fx dx. How it is changing? This I1 I am changing as minus. See here, dx is becoming minus dt. So this dx I change it into minus dt. So minus taken out. I have took the minus out. So dt it is converted f of, in the place of x what I have to write? Minus t f if x is equal to minus t, if I am taking, what is the x value here? X value is minus a. If I am giving x value minus a, cancel, plus a I am getting, then the limits are changed. The limits also change. When you substituting, limit should be changed. If x is equal to minus a, then t equal to plus a. And if x is equal to 0, then t also 0. So this is changed like this. So to change negative, we have proved second property. Second property, if you exchange the limits, if you exchange the upper limit, lower limit, you get the answer negative. The negative into negative will become positive. So 0 to a f of minus t dt. When I exchange the limit, I get negative. That negative into negative become positive. It means the I1 answer you got 0 to a. Using the first property, ft or fx is same, dt or dx is same. We are converted. So this I1 is become, how it is I1 is become 0 to a, 0 to a f of minus x dx. So this this was changed into, how this was changed, 0 to a f of minus x dx plus integration 0 to a fx dx we got. This is what we changed this one. So if it is an odd function, we write minus fx, so cancel, answer 0. If it is an even function, this is will get plus fx, so you got 2 times here by addition. This is the proof of even and odd function. Based on this, we will do a problem. So understand, we will do more problems on the properties. And today and tomorrow, at most I feel in 2-3 days, I'll finish all the properties. I'll finish all properties. Then we will 2-3 days, we'll do more extra problems. In 6 to 7 working days, 6 to 7, 8 working days, we finish this chapter and we'll start vectors. Okay, hope you understand. Let us.